Welcome, this is the HUAWEI NOVA 11 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the lock screen, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. One. Okay, we should swipe to open. We could change this option in the settings if you want. So 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the fingerprint works here fast, correct, and we just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. But you shouldn't just simply touch it, you should hold your finger for a while on the scanner, and after that you'll successfully unlock your device. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.